Dr. Vishal Ganar. I'm a rehabilitation psychologist and also director for Bhumika Foundation. We're working here since many years with the children with autism. Today we are going to discuss how to identify autistic symptom in the early age. Normally it is seen that you can identify symptoms in the age of 2.5 years to 3 years. It's quite possible for parents and caretakers. So, first difficulty, you may identify that they do have limitation in maintaining eye contact. You may call them with the name, but they may not respond easily or they may not sustain their eye contact for a required period of time. Then they do have lack of social smiling. Normally it is seen that parents talk much with kids but they do not smile it. Then social interaction. They do have difficulty in expressing and receiving messages from the parent, from the caretaker and from the other social members. Sometimes they do have self-stimulatory behavior. For example, it occurs in two conditions. If child don't have anything to do, he may choose his own way to entertain himself in an odd way. Or second, if they do have something but not interesting, still they will choose their own way to entertain themselves in an odd way. It is seen that children with autism develop speech in a later age. They may not become verbalized till 6 to 7 years or 8 years. Sometimes it is seen that they remain non-verbal for whole life. Children with autism may become hyperactive in some situation, like if it is crowd, if it is irritating, if it is close place, they'll become hyperactive. If the demands are not fulfilled, they'll become hyperactive. They'll feel irritated, they will scream, they will snatch, they will scratch, they will roll on the floor. Children with autism do have sensory issues, like they may have unusual vision, or they may develop a taste in particular way, or they may not like specific taste. They may not like loud sound. Also, it is seen that children with autism, they do have cognitive limitations sometimes. It is known as understanding, thinking, memory. Few kids with autism do have sharpened memory. Few kids with autism do have savant ability, like they may calculate like a calculator. They can play with the numbers. But in general, cognitive functions or cognitive abilities required in daily life may not carry. So, if you find such kind of children, they may require kind of therapeutic intervention. If you identify such children with such symptoms, better you refer them to the pediatrician, psychologist or occupational therapist. They can help you to diagnose more clinically. Hope this information is going to help you to make yourself more aware about symptoms in early age of children with autism. I would like to request you, please subscribe, like and comment on the given discussion. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.